Turn on the radio. All right. Oh, hello. Hi there. Welcome to our channel, Agriculture Equipment Review. If you love agriculture or farming, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. This channel, like the name states, it's about agricultural machines and equipments. We will be looking at handheld equipment. We will also be looking at agriculture drones. This day and age, technology is taking over everything. We can't lag behind, so we bring you also drones. We will also look at heavy duty equipment like tractors, combine harvesters. We will also be talking about bird equipment like chicken cages, incubators, we will also talk about fishing equipment and greenhouses. We are going to talk about equipment used for seeding, plowing, spraying, harvesting, storing, irrigation, cultivating, truck loading, fertilizing. And please don't forget, we will have new videos every week. If you have any equipment you want us to review, please send us an email or leave us a message below. We will surely get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.